All right, so we're doing this under the barn over here at the farm. Let's make sure we're all good and framed, and we are. So this is the main box here. This box comes with a deep and a medium. Actually, it feels like there's plenty of wax on these. I've always been leery of plastic foundation. Either they do a really good job of drawing it out, or they don't do it worth the crap. We got foundation for 20 frames. Comes with a entrance reducer. And of course the frames. Now here's the nails that they send with it. This is probably for the frames and also for the hive bodies, but we're not going to use these because we're going to use staples. Tops and bottoms for your frames. These are your side pieces. Now, if you don't know much about beekeeping, these are medium side pieces, and these are the for the regular deeps. That's how much difference there is between them. Now, the one thing that I like about this kit, everything is dipped in wax, so you don't have to paint it. You don't have to seal it. It comes pre-sealed. That's one of the things that I like about it, and one of the reasons why I agreed to do the video is because of that. And we'll see how good it holds up while we're out here. We'll do updates on it all along. We're going to set that to the side. And then your hive components are also dipped. They're pre-drilled for the screws, or for the nails, which is pretty cool. And you can also inset them if you were going to go that route. What else? Of course, they had to put their logo on the front, which is pretty cool. It's actually inset. I'm assuming they burned that on there. So they got screws to hold the hive body together. I might do that. We might use the screws instead of the staples. And another thing, I don't know if you can, they don't have regular finger joints in it. They've actually got them tapered, which is pretty cool. Haven't seen that before. Very nice. I must say I am impressed by that. And with this kit, it comes with a telescoping top. These pieces are waxed, that's not, which is pretty smart. And then it comes with a telescoping top with the metal top on the top of it, with the metal top on the top of it, with the metal stuff on the top. And it also comes, I don't know if that's a honey, I don't know if that's a propolis trap or if that's a queen excluder. If I had to roll the dice, I'd probably say that's a queen excluder. I'll have to look in the paperwork and see what it is. But either way, it comes with a, I'm gonna roll the dice and say it's a queen excluder.